Hyperlink option can be used to link files, folders, and website or email addresses to a portion of the Word document. To link a folder to these three words here, select the words, right click, link. Now select the folder to be linked. F drive. We'll select this folder called Top 25 MS Word Tips. OK. See, the formatting of the selected portion has changed. Now to open the linked folder, holding the Control key, click on this portion. Here is the folder called Top 25 MS Word Tips in the F drive of my PC. Control K is the shortcut for inserting hyperlink. To connect a PDF file to this word, select the word, press Ctrl K. Now select the file to be linked. We'll select this file called 51 ready to use macros. OK. To open the file, holding the Control key, click on this portion.